Here we have for sale our November 2024 on a 74 plate Ford Transit Custom Signature. This is a 320 model, which means it's got a 3.2 ton gross vehicle weight. This one's got the 2 litre EcoBlue Euro 6 diesel engine producing 170 PS in this particular example, which is roughly 170 brake horsepower. That is accompanied with a fantastic 8-speed automatic gearbox, and this is an L2 or long wheelbase factory double cab van, finished in the fantastic metallic magnetic grey. This one has got a huge options list on it, probably the best I've ever seen. So we are going to talk through all of the options on here, if I can remember them all, and we will also have a look at the condition of this particular example and talk to you about the service history as well, seeing as the vehicle is currently available for sale with us here at Bridgend Van Centre. So starting here then at the rear of the vehicle, we can see that this one is spec'd with rear barn doors. So barn doors are 2 doors which open in that sort of fashion. Of course, on a Limited you get a number of elements which come color coded in the body color. That includes things like the bumpers, door handles, mirrors, all come color coded in the body color, which in this case, as I say, is metallic magnetic grey. Now, I mentioned right at the start, this is one of our signature styled Ford Transit Customs. So that includes the gloss black rear spoiler, which you can see there. Lower down then, of course, you've got the rear bumper protector. You've then got this full low-line aero kit, which is the rear splitter just there. Down the sides, you've got the side skirts, and there's also some nice bits around the front. This one has got a set of the Paradox 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels, which I think look absolutely stunning. Of course, they're brand new load-rated tyres as well. Now, let's get on to some of the optional extras on this van. So, first one to note here at the back is the smart rear view mirror camera here. So that is a camera that fits, or sits, should I say, more parallel to the ground, and that gives you a constant feed out of the back of the van and tells you, shows you inside the cab what is going on there. What you do get as standard, however, on the Limited model is a reversing camera there, which points more towards the floor, and you also get the rear parking sensors as well. They come as standard. You can see the little dimple there on the door. That tells us, of course, we've got keyless entry, keyless locking, keyless start, and all of that comes as standard on this age of Transit Custom Limited. Inside the back of here then, let's have a look in here. So we can see, to start with, it has been freshly ply lined, so our ply liner does a fantastic job, as you can see here, with nice silicone sealing in around the outside. Really good quality ply has been fitted in here with full rear door coverage as well. The fact that it's got a toolkit, we can see straight away that it has got the spare wheel. That's how you wind it down there, but it's got a spare wheel underneath. That, believe it or not, on these vans is also an optional extra. A couple of other optional extras back here then. It's got the rear power point, so a little 12-volt socket just there, but a really nice one on this one. And this little button just here, you can see the picture of a tow bar ×2. If you double tap that, a tow bar electrically comes out of the back of there. And that is, of course, all factory fitted. Never seen that on a new shape Transit Custom before, but a really nice option to have. As you can see from the back, you would never know it was there, but double tap that button and then the tow bar electrically comes out in the back. You can see the condition inside here looking absolutely fantastic. Bulkheads all in really good order, floors in really good order as well. All, just looking at the exposed painted areas in the back, it's all looking very smart indeed. There's a lot more to come, don't worry, in terms of optional extras. Looking here then, down the side of the vehicle. So this is where we look down the driver's side here. Again, you can just see how really stunning, the condition is stunning on this van. You can see how clean and straight it is. To my eye, this is all absolutely original paintwork. It looks absolutely fantastic. Another optional extra then, it has got the what's called roof rack in stow, or stowable roof rack. So you can see you've got 3 roof bars there, and there's a little handle on the side so you can actually put them up or down. I really like that because sort of day to day, if you have any use for roof bars, anyone that's had roof bars on their van will tell you that you can get a bit of wind noise from them and they look a bit sort of unsightly, but with these you can fold them down flat, and to look at, you wouldn't really notice that it had any roof bars on there. So I really like that you can very easily flip those up and down. One of the main optional extras on this van is that it has got twin electric side loading doors, which is such a luxury feature to have. So there's a couple of ways that you can operate those. You can, of course, pull on the handle like so. There's also a button on the key, so you can double tap a button on the key. So when you walk up to it, you can open each door individually, and you can also do it off the dashboard as well. But a fantastic optional extra to have on this van. Looking at the Rear seats then, of course, you've got the full rear bench in the back of here. You can see you've got ISOFIX compatibility on the 2 outer seats just there, and there's actually some more optional extras in here as well. So side opening windows, as standard, these come as one solid window, so side opening windows is an optional extra, and it's actually got sun blinds as well. So if we come over to this window, you can see out at the bottom here, you can pull up sun blinds which clip into place there at the top. So especially on a sunny day like today, that really helps with, I say, if you're carrying, you know, people in the back or children in the back of here, a really nice feature to have. And again, that is another factory optional extra. Shut the door then. So again, you can just pull on the handle there, and that will shut behind you. Opening up the driver's door then, let's have a look inside here. Actually, on the driver's door is another optional extra to speak of here, and it has got this high security lock there on the driver's door. That again, another optional extra just there. And let's have a look inside here. There's more going on in here as well. But first off, the condition in here, absolutely fantastic condition. Of course, full cab carpet, that comes as standard. It's also got a really nice set of the proper Ford overmats in there, which are all in spot on condition. A couple of footmarks here, which is just from me getting in and out it, parking it up, but it is in absolutely stunning order in here. No issues on the driver's seat, all very smart indeed. You can see it's got airbag here on the driver's seat. Of course, you've got the adjustable armrest. You can set that to your desired height. This one is spec'd with the full 2 seats in the front as well, so you've got the little fold down work tray there, somewhere to store your paperwork. And then if we jump in, let's have a look at a bit more of the spec inside here. So first off, looking at the keys, like I mentioned, you have got these buttons here on the bottom of the key, so double tap on those buttons, you can open the doors individually as you want to. I believe is also one of the optional extras, you've got individual driver's locking door. So if you just wanted to unlock the driver's door, you could do that, whereas usually it's a universal unlock. Having a look up here then in front of you, you've got the nice digital dashboard there in front of you. You can see the mileage there in the bottom left hand corner, 16,762 miles. You've got really nice, of course, modern steering wheel. On the left hand side then, this one has got adaptive cruise control. So standard, they just come with normal cruise control. This one comes with adaptive cruise control. That is part of a pack, which is a really nice feature to have, of course. And on the right hand side, you've got your onboard computer controls here, and you can also answer and hang up the phone and things like that as well. Auto activated lights, auto activated wipers, of course. And then into the center, there's more going on here. So first one is that it has got dual zone climate control, and I can tell you it is absolutely boiling here today. This is an absolute godsend. It is freezing cold in here. I almost don't want to get out. It's very, very nice. But as standard, you can only control one temperature, and it's just one temperature, and that's what's coming out of the vents. On this one, you can set a different temperature from the passenger to the driver's side, which is a really nice feature. Lots of these things come as standard on the Limited, so heated seats, air conditioning, heated door mirrors, heated windscreen, all of that comes as standard. What doesn't come as standard is heated steering wheel. So that is another optional extra. Really nice to see that. Again, you're not going to need it on a day like today, but heated steering wheel, very nice to have. On the left hand side then, you can see here the buttons to control the electric doors just there. On the screen then as well, we can see that this one has got satellite navigation. Again, that is an optional extra, so really nice to see that. This one as well has also got the 360-degree cameras. So click on, of course, when you maneuver, it will automatically pull up, you know, it'll automatically show you different camera angles. But if you press on the little camera button here, you can manually go into that. So you can see this is actually the view out of the front of the vehicle. So there is a camera in the grille, so you can see what's going on at the front. On the right hand side then, this is giving you a bird's eye 360-degree view here, so you can see what is going on around you. That is so handy for manoeuvring, and that's because you've got cameras underneath the wing mirrors and of course in the back as well. So you can see that car pulling up there, you can see what is going on there. If you tap on this little button then, you can individually go into those cameras, so you can look at what is going on the driver's side or on the back and things like that as well. So it is really, really nice to see all the controls on there. Some more optional extras then. This one has also got wireless charging, so if you put your phone in there, it will charge wirelessly. That is a nice little feature also. Of course, you've got a USB and a USB-C just there, 12-volt socket, a little hidden cup holder as well. And then this is that smart rear view mirror as well. You can turn this off if you want to, just by pulling on the little, what would be the anti-glare thing just there. This one also has the dash cam feature, I believe. So you can, of course, you can well, there we are. You can see you can adjust it, so you can go up and down and change the brightness on the screen. But you've also got a dash camera in there also. So if you put a little SD card in there, you've got a built-in dash cam. Just tons of stuff going on with this van. It has also got the blind spot indicators in the mirrors. I say the underneath the mirror, then the camera underneath the mirror. It has also got the extended range fuel tank, so it's got the 70-litre tank, which is an upgraded fuel tank, and it has also got the twin AGM batteries as well. Basically, when we bought this van directly from the previous owner, and he said when he spec'd it up from new, he said I basically just went through and ticked every option that I could see on there, and that is of course clear to see. There is just options absolutely everywhere you look on this van. In terms of condition here then, having a look at the condition of the front, it's in absolutely fantastic order. Of course, you've got the forward LED lights with that LED daytime running light. Around to the front then, you've got the front canards, the front splitter, which is all part of that low-line aero kit. In the grille, you can see the little camera there, the front-facing camera in the grille also. You're going to get the odd tiny little stone chip here or there just to the front bumper, which of course we've just neatly touched in during our detailing preparation, but really it is in absolutely stunning order throughout. If we open up there's actually a slight tint on these windows as well, I noticed. If we open up the passenger door then, you can see the condition here, all in really good order there. No issues on the glove box at all. So you've got two glove boxes on these, one upper glove box and a lower glove box just there. And then into the back, again, you can just see the condition of the seats from this angle, all very smart indeed. There's actually a couple of little USBs down there also. Really very smart overall. Now, we do have previous service history with this van, so it was serviced at 14,500 miles, so it's obviously only on 16 odd at the moment, so there is plenty of time before you would need to service it again. Tiny little sort of pin dent just there, I can notice, but that is being hypercritical, and there's also a tiny one just there as well. But yeah, other than that, there's really not much to fault on this van at all. So it's got the balance of manufacturer's warranty until November of 2027, so again, plenty of time left on that, plenty of time left on the servicing interval. Also, Bridgend Van Care have gone right through it and given it a full multi-point health check in, of course, preparation for sale. So I'm pleased to say the van is absolutely ready to drive away straight away with absolutely no issues at all. It is such a rare find to find one with this sort of spec, being the 170 auto as well, so the higher brake horsepower model. Yeah, absolutely stunning. To operate these roof bars, you literally pull on the handle there and they clip into place. So it is as simple as that to put those up and down like so, and you can go, of course, each of them operate the same as you just saw there. We can take cars or vans in part exchange. We can also deliver our vehicles nationwide. We can arrange funding at very competitive rates. So if you're looking for funding on this van, or of course any of the others that we've currently got available, we can arrange funding for private individuals or for limited companies. So by all means, get in contact for some options there. If you'd like to see the full advert, if you haven't seen already, head over to our website there, bridgendvans.co.uk. That's where you'll find the price, the description, the photography of this van and all the others that we've currently got advertised. Thank you so much for watching.